Ever wondered how your brain can adapt and change throughout your life? Today, we're diving into the amazing science of neuroplasticity and how it helps you learn, grow, and recover. Let's start with synaptic plasticity. Imagine your brain is like a network of roads. When you learn something new, like playing the guitar, your brain builds new roads or connections between nerve cells called neurons. The more you practice, the more these roads become well-traveled and efficient. This is why you get better at skills over time. Neurogenesis is when your brain creates new neurons or brain cells. Your brain can still make new neurons as you grow older, especially in areas that handle memory and learning. Think of it as adding new team members to help with brain tasks. Finally, let's talk about functional reorganization. If part of your brain is damaged, like after a stroke, other parts can sometimes step in to take over those lost functions. With therapy and rehabilitation, these backup parts help you recover and regain abilities. So, neuroplasticity means your brain is incredibly adaptable. It's always changing and finding new ways to learn, recover, and improve. Whether you're mastering a new skill, making new brain cells, or recovering from an injury, your brain is always working to help you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy to understand science content. See you next time.